Welcome to lesson 5.11, and today our question is, what are equivalent fractions? So what are equivalent fractions? And that's the question we're going to be asking ourselves and hopefully answering by the end of today's lesson. But first we're going to start with some review, and what I'd like you to do is order these numbers from least to greatest. And just kind of a review from yesterday and what we started working on, what we worked on yesterday. I'm going to give you 3 number sets, and then I'm going to have you pause the video and then work through these number sets to see how you do. So number set number 1, again, we're going to order from least to greatest. We start with 9/6, 1/6, 2 4/6, 1 4/6, and then 6/6. Okay, number 2. I don't know if there's a dead spot in my iPad right there or what, but it's 1 1/7, 9/7, 2 3/7, 15/7, and 21/7. And then our final number set, 8/8, 14/8, 6/8, 1 1/8, and then 1 5/8. Alright, so with those number sets, why don't you pause the video, once you have them written down, pause the videos and put them in order, numerical order from least to greatest. When you're done, restart the videos and check and see how you did. Now, 5th graders, as we're doing this, one of the things that you can do and that will help is if you put them all in the same language. So if you put them all in improper fractions. So remember, to convert to improper fractions, we go around, multiply and add. We go around, multiply and add. So 6 times 2 is 12, plus 4 is going to be 16/6. And then 6 times 1 is 6, plus 4 is going to be 10/6. Now, if we look at this, now that we have them all the same, it'll be a little bit easier for us. So our smallest number, our least value, is 1/6. Then we have 9, 6, 10, 16. Our next one is 6/6, which, when you know your numerator and denominator are the same, that value, hopefully you remember, is 1. Then we have 9, 10, 16 left. So we have 9/6. Then we have 10/6, and then 16/6. And then if you want to put 10/6, it was 1 4/6, and then 16/6 would be 2 4/6. For some reason, I don't think my iPad likes this this stylus. All right, next one. This one we're just going to go work with what we have as is right now. We're going to put this in order from least to greatest. We have, this is going to be, well, 1. Check and see how many 7s I can take out of that. There's going to be 1, and then there's going to be 2 7s remaining. That one's already done. How many 7s can I take out of there? That's going to be 2 1/7 remaining, because 14 and 14 less. And then how many 7s in 21? Well, that's a whole number, 3. So now let's see what we have. Well, our lowest value is 1 1/7. Then we have 1 2/7. And technically, I guess that answer should be 9/7. After that, we have 15 sevenths. And we have 2 and 3 sevenths. And then finally we have 21 sevenths. So that's those. And then finally, let's look at our last one. This one, let's see what that looks like in terms of what eighths. How many 8 and 14? Well, that's 1. And then what's left? 14 less 8. It's going to give me 6 eighths remaining. So now let's look and see. Our lowest value is 6 eighths. And then we have 8 eighths. 8 eighths. Then we have 1 and 1/8. Then we have 1 and 5/8. And then finally 14 eighths, which would be 1 and 6/8. Alright, so hopefully you got them all correct. If not, where did you make your errors? Did you make your errors on this side? Did you make your errors in terms of comparing? Whatever, just check and see and make sure you understand what you did. If you don't understand what you did, talk to Mr. Winkleman. He's here to help you.